Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2019 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 2,988 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Reinhardt exhaust, an aftermarket front wheel, aftermarket rear wheels, LED headlight and LED front turn signals, floating front rotors, rider floorboards, brake pedal, highway pegs, passenger pegs, aftermarket handlebars, boom audio speakers, quick detachable windshield, shift pegs, shift rod, a rear bumper, luggage rack, passenger backrest, tinted taillight lenses, derby cover, timing cover, transmission cover, and rocker box covers. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and reverse. This factory trike offers all the enjoyment and thrills of motorcycling on the stability of 3 wheels. This stripped-down trike is powered by a 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 engine with a 6-speed transmission that puts out an impressive 89 horsepower and 122 foot-pounds of torque. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a seat height of 27 inches. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.